Okay, so what you want to do once you get your paddle protector kit is you want to get some materials together that you're going to need, pretty much anything you can find around the house. It's going to be a soft cloth that you can lay your paddle on while you're getting everything ready. You're going to want to have a very cheap napkin or paper towel. You don't want to use anything with fine thread in it or anything like that. Just a very inexpensive paper towel. And then what you do is just take the top off. Inside you're going to see a squeegee, which we'll use in a few minutes. You've got the applicator fluid, which I'll show you how to use in just a second. So you get that out. And then inside you're going to have two paddle protectors, which we're going to put on. So lay those to the side. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the Wrap Attack and you're going to spray it on the paddle, which you're going to see. And you spray it on liberally and get the whole surface wet. And then take part of your towel and wipe that off. And what this does is this acts as a cleaner and a pre-adhesive for the paddle protector. So you just wipe it off until it's dry, and then you're ready to go. So now the next step will be to take the Wrap Attack again and spray it on the paddle. And this time you just let it sit. And you spray a liberal amount. You've got 4 ounces in here, which would probably do 10 or 15 paddles. The next thing you do is you want to take your protector, the skin itself, which comes on an adhesive backing, and you go to the very top. It's maybe hard to see, but you'll see the neck of the paddle is at the top. And what you want to do is you want to gently peel this away from its protective backing. So if you have fingernails, you just grab a little edge of that, and you peel this away, and you can see that side has the glue on it. So you want to take that very carefully at the end. You want to face the gluey side, and you want to spray it. And again, you want to spray it very liberally. Again, just a little shot on the paddle. And then what you do with 2 hands, you just lay the skin on the paddle. And because we have liquid on both the surface of the paddle and on the skin, it will slide around so that you can position the skin to your liking. Once you get the skin in position where you say, that's where I want it to sit, you keep your finger on the bottom end of the protector, and then you take the squeegee. And the squeegee, you just start pushing the liquid towards the outer edges of the paddle, slowly but firmly. And what this does is this removes any of the air bubbles and any excess liquid that we now don't need on the paddle. And you can kind of look at all around the surface, and you can see any bubbles. And if you do, you want to squeegee them out. At this point, after you've done that once, you just wipe up the excess fluid. And now you're pretty much ready to go. So you give it one more push, and you push out any remaining air bubbles. And you make sure you've got all the liquid out and you've been holding on to it. And now it's firmly affixed to your paddle. And what you want to do is you just want to let this dry overnight for a good seal. And this will be on your paddle for as long as you have the paddle. And again, you will do the exact same procedure on the second side of the paddle with the other skin that's in the kit. And now this paddle will be protected from any chipping. So that's pretty much all there is to it, and you're ready to go. So have fun playing pickleball.